Is your Hyundai Santa Fe backup camera showing a black screen or glitching out? Most camera issues on these models are caused by simple wiring connection faults rather than a dead camera unit. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to identify the culprit. Start by cleaning the lens and checking the system settings before diving into the hardware. If the basics don't work, we need to look at the tailgate wiring, which often flexes and breaks over time. Internal software glitches or signal cable breaks are less common, but definitely possible on older Santa Fe units. You can handle the simple resets yourself, but leave complex wiring repairs to the professionals. Repair costs vary wildly, with simple fuses being nearly free compared to a full camera module replacement. If you have a multimeter, perform a continuity test on the tailgate harness to spot broken wires. Keep these three tools handy, as they cover almost every diagnostic step for vehicle electronics. Always prioritize safety by disconnecting the battery before you start poking around your car's wiring. If these steps don't resolve the issue, it is time to have a professional technician inspect your camera module.